Welcome to dotcom.builders. In this video, I will share with you how to point your Hostinger domain to another host. Without any further ado, let's start this tutorial. First, log in to your Hostinger account. Then go to domains. And next to your Hostinger domain that you want to point to another host, click on manage. Now click on DNS/name servers. And below name servers, you will see the current name servers, and you can change them by clicking on change name servers. Make sure to select change name servers, and here delete the first name server and fill in the other host name servers. Here, let's say that my website files are hosted on my Namecheap hosting, and I want to point my Hostinger or this Hostinger domain to the Namecheap hosting. So I need to search for the Namecheap name servers. Here they are, dns1.registrar-servers.com. Copy it like that and paste it here. Same thing for the second name server. Before we continue, I want to let you know that you can get access to my Hostinger web hosting online course today for free. Inside this course, you will learn many things, including how to get started with Hostinger, how to set up your WordPress website and configure it, how to customize your WordPress website, SSL, security, privacy, email setup, launch and index your website, speed and performance optimization, how to use Lightspeed cache plugin, and also how to manage your files, databases, and backups. To get all of this today for free, plus my other online courses like Hostinger Website Builder or Hostinger License, just join dotcom Builders Academy from this link, academy.dotcom.builders, link in the description. Without any further ado, let's continue this video. dns2.registrar-servers.com. Paste it here and click on save. Confirm name servers. Here check this box next to I understand that proceeding with these name servers could stop my domain from working. Click on change. Name servers changed successfully. And as you see, it may take up to 24 hours for the domain name to propagate to new name servers. Now you can close this window and you can start giving your website a visit. Like that, go to your domain name. As you see, DNS probe finished NX domains. This means that this DNS change completely took effect, which means that if I had hosting on Namecheap hosting, I will see my content here. This video is just an example. In your case, this change can take up to 1 hour, 10 minutes, who knows. Here, just be patient, keep refreshing your website from on your browser, read about this what this error means, and be patient and try to access your website from a different device, for example your smartphone. Even if you have another internet provider, this, for example your phone data, this will be better. And if you see that your domain name is successfully pointing to the other host from a first device but not on the second device, here this means that your work is correct and you need to just be patient more in order to fully propagate across the internet. And this is how to point your domain, your Hostinger domain, to another host. If you still have a question, leave it in the comments below, and don't forget to give this video a like. Thank you.